Yo, what up guys, it's Rambo Adventures. So today I'm going to go through a new set of mirrors I've bought. Okay, I got this from Thunderbike. Right, so it's from Motogadet. As you can see, the packaging is pretty good. So the name of this mirror is, if I'm not wrong, is Mo.Race. As you can see, don't know if you can see it clearly, but the one I got is this Mo.Race. So the ones I got is a bit more profound in its edges. From what I've seen, most of them like to get Flight, which is a bit smaller. But the reason I was deciding between Sport or Race was because of how it looked. So I got this for about 100 euros, and it's not for a pair. It's 100 euros for a single one. So it's right and left. So don't get confused and just get one or get two of the same. It's two different ones, each for its side. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the packaging is. It is actually pretty damn solid. Yep, it is a solid piece of metal, no plastic in it though. As you can see, it is very shiny. So the cool thing about this mirror is this entire piece, if you can see, was made from a single piece of aluminium. I'll link the video of their manufacturing process in my description. It's pretty interesting the way they do it. It's a long process, but it kind of appreciates how much it is. And then they fix this full metal backing. They put it into a machine and they heat press it. So the reason it's so shiny for metal is because they buff it over, and every time it cuts over, it actually cuts off a small layer of aluminium, and they keep doing it until it is so damn shiny. Feels really good. It's not that easy to move, but it is really solid. You can feel the metal in it. You can move it around. Let me try to see if I can bend it sideways. Yep, you can, but gosh, it is not easy. But it's good, it feels really solid. So you got one point of movement over here. If you release this Allen key, you can move it up or down. And then of course here, which is to move around the point where you connect to your handlebars. So it just doesn't come like this. You also send in a bunch of screws. As you can see, they're packaged. So there's about a bunch of screws inside. I believe they are of different measurements. Let me try to get this out. You can see there's 3 different screws. I believe are they of different sizes? They don't seem to be of different sizes. They seem to be the same. Yep, I believe they're all the same. I'm not too sure. Oh, I think they are of different sizes. Looks a bit different on each, but it doesn't matter. I'll get it fixed on my bike and I'll see how it feels or how it looks like. Alright, so this is how my mirror actually looks. Not too bad, not too bad. So I've decided to actually flip them, because one of the reasons for buying this Motogadget's frameless race mirrors is so that I could flip it. And now you can see it's pretty clean on my top. Yeah, so it's still astonishing to even think that it's actually aluminium and not glass, and that frameless design is still getting used to it, because when you look, it's like as though the mirror is just, you know, floating over there. It takes a while to get used to. The way it reflects is, from what I feel, it makes it seem like the vehicles are actually nearer than they are. like normally the mirrors will actually reflect in a way that it's actually further from where it is, but this magnifies it. I don't know whether it's good or bad, but it definitely needs some getting used to. Now if I were to ride, and you can see only my thumb blocks off about the top curve end of the mirror. Other than that, it's pretty decent, super good quality, very easy to install. I think it took like what, 10 minutes? Less than that actually. I just need to the adjusting of the mirror was what took me quite a while, but other than that, it is an awesome mirror. I mean, definitely Motogadget really did an awesome job with it. I would recommend this to anyone. I keep looking at it. It's an amazing mirror.